Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, July 21st. This is just going to be a quick NASDAQ analysis before the New York Open. So let's get right into it. Starting here on this chart with the previous week's ranges, we have previous week high, previous week low, and 50% of that range. As we can see, we've just been consolidating this week so far. We are around 50% of previous week's range, so just take note of that. And then moving into our next chart here, we have the Asian range. And these horizontal white lines are going to be standard deviations off of that range. So what I like to look at in this chart is where price is coming from and where it's likely headed, to try and give me a bias in terms of which direction's going to be our highest probability. So as we can see, price is coming from these previous lows over here, as well as the weekly opening price. And as you can see, we expanded up, ended up breaking through Asian session high. We didn't quite get this retest right here, but as you can see, we just came up to sweep these highs, and we've just been consolidating since. So honestly, not too much of a game plan I have in mind until I see what's going to happen after this consolidation. Potentially we retest Asian session high, and I would look for a retest to target these previous highs again. Or another potential scenario would be I'm a break and retest trader, so another scenario would be if we broke through Asian session high, I would look to spot the retest off Asian session high again, and we could target our anchored VWAP from the weekly open price, as well as 50% of Asian session range. So basically the two scenarios I'll be looking for is either this retest of Asian session high for another long entry targeting previous highs, or this scenario here that I just explained. But that's pretty much it today. If you guys are interested in daily live trading, we have a community for you guys. You can check out the link in my description, or I'll pin a comment for that. We do offer a free trial, so definitely check it out if that's something you might be interested in. Other than that, I hope you guys have a good day. Definitely prioritize discipline, and most likely success will be in your future. But other than that, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will catch you in the next one.